Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Do you want to illuminate an area of your home that maybe you don't have ready access to plugins? Or you want to bring that kind of club vibe to your entertainment room? Well, those are both reasons that we got these lights from Keep Shining. These are rechargeable and they come with this really amazing little magnetic bulb that goes inside, and you can easily take that out and charge it when you need to and then just stick it right back in. My husband and I installed these in our rec room on our WPC wall panels. The manufacturer sends clear instructions on how to put this together. Just follow them and you will be fine. We got the gold sconces with milky white globes, and I just love the way it looks in here. One remote controls both of them, and I love the different settings. So obviously you just have like your normal kind of white, warm light, but then you have pretty much all the colors of the rainbow. You can set them to flash or you can do a smooth transition. It just brings such a nice feel and ambiance to your room. We are just delighted with these lights, and we think that you will be too, and that's our point of view.